Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are now here. I was lazy vlogging from started from my workplace because I feel like going home right away because I am expecting the GoPro Hero 9 to be delivered today, but when I checked the tracking, it's not yet ready. Still in they already departed from Botany. I don't know where is it now. Look at this. This is how it is at the moment. Looks like smoky. Yeah, similar to when there is a bushfire. I hope there is no bushfire. Yeah, okay, we go. We are here again. Where is this bird is attacking me? Whenever I am passing in here, yeah, this bird is attacking me. This is not a magpie. I don't know, this is smaller than magpie. There's somewhere here. Oh, there's none today. Good. It is now actually 4 o'clock. I am doing my laundry at the moment. It's noisy, you can hear it. Yeah. And I am preparing my... Yeah, this is going to be my meal. This is the salad actually. One moment, I will show you. The salad. This one, but this still has no mayonnaise. And I'm actually a little bit doubt about this one, but because it is coming from the freezer and then I take out and it's now second day. Yeah, but I am trying. I don't know how it is going to be the taste. And there is good news. I have this package and this is the GoPro Hero 9. Amazing. I'm very excited to open this, but I need to eat first. I tasted it and it tastes like a normal pasta. And do you know that I ordered it in last September 20? Yeah, actually September 19, and it arrives today. Today is September 30, so it's more than 10 days. According to the website, when I ordered this, it says 3 days. It's more than that, too much. I'm actually feeling disappointed, but what to do? It's okay. It's alright. And this is it. What is this? Oh, it comes with the memory card, which is 32 GB. And nice packaging. Yeah, you see this? This is like a box, not box, but a plus. I don't know, like a case, yeah. And this one, you just flip it like this, like a KFC. And this is how it is. And there is this zipper. Wow, this one feels expensive. There is GoPro sign in there, and when you open it's like that, and it's like this. There is this one, there is this, one battery, one of these, and the camera. Oh, it's big. This one is bigger than the previous GoPro. And this is like a cartoon, no, a styrofoam. All the paperworks. Subscribe to GoPro. Yeah, different paperworks. This one looks good. Oh, You see that GoPro Hero 9 there. The battery. Switch it on here. And you notice that on the other end there is that one. Yeah, so yeah, you know, you start to do the settings.
Tyson Cattle from Ozveg says the federal government needs to prioritise its seasonal worker program that brings in a ready and willing.
Yeah, so that's basically, yeah, the farmers in Australia, they're having a problem because
Why do Aussies not want to
yeah, in the coming picking season, in the harvest season, they don't have people to do that, because most of the people who usually work in there are the backpacker and seasonal workers. But because of COVID, yeah, there are no backpackers.
sell it to me? Why should Aussies come in?
So the solution they have is they hire people from Vanuatu and other neighboring country of Australia to do the harvesting.
How'd you get to work in there?
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we're going to work now. 5:33 when I left the house, and my duty today is 6 o'clock. I'll be doing breakfast as usual. Yeah, I have been doing breakfast since the hotel opens last June, and this is how it is today at the moment. Yeah, I am wondering why there is some kinds of waves on that side, and the rest are like a plain normal. Yeah, why is it? Yeah, anyway, look at that. It's cloudy today, and you see that the color of the sky on that side is getting red, because usually yesterday was the sun was already showing by this time. Yeah, this morning there is a rain, as you notice. It's wet. Yeah, but it's still beautiful. I hope there is no rain today. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, it is nice and beautiful in here. Yeah, you see the water is not really, but I consider it as calm. Yeah. The sun is supposed to be rising on that side, but we don't see it because of the clouds. There's clouds everywhere. There is maybe a rain tonight. I mean today. I'm actually using this new camera, the GoPro Hero 9. It arrives yesterday afternoon. Supposed to be 2 days ago. Yeah, but then they canceled, and then yeah, it was moved yesterday. Yeah, so we're going to explore this GoPro Hero 9 Black. It looks amazing. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty, 2 o'clock, and this is how it is today, this time. I mean, you remember this morning it was very cloudy, full of clouds everywhere. Yeah, but now it's like this. Yeah, nice. And at the moment there are many people in there. They are sunbathing. Yeah, standing there just relaxing, walking around. There's family in here. Really nice. And also it's a little bit windy, not too much, just right. There is one drone that is flying in there. I don't know where is the operator. I noticed that all the sands that are coming from there is being carried away by the wind towards here, also by the people. Oh, there is a family having picnic. Nice. They are actually not family, they are a group of friends. Oh, we're just going to buy something to drink. I'm really thirsty. So I got this. And yeah, like what I've said, I am using my new camera, which is GoPro Hero 9, and yeah, it looks good. I can see myself on this monitor. I can see myself on the screen, but to be honest, I don't like that one. I mean the one with the monitor in the front, the one that I see myself. Yeah, I feel that those people who are vlogging and looking in the screen of the camera, they are figuring out if they are good looking in the video. Yeah. Anyway, it's normal. What convinced me to buy this GoPro Hero 9 is the horizon balancing. Yeah, it's really I think it's working very well. We're going to sit somewhere to eat this fish and chips. Oh wait, let's have a look in here. Nice. And there are people behind me. Look at that lorry-cat. Maybe he wants to go inside. Oh nice, he go inside already. Oh, maybe he has a baby in there. Oh, he's going out again. Oh, he's calling someone. Yeah, he is calling someone. Okay, we don't disturb them. And this is the view in here. It is really beautiful. And there is something like smoky on that area. I hope it is not something bad. I hope it's safe. Yeah. Anyway, I'm having this kid fish and chips. I already eat the fish, one piece of fish, and I have the soft drinks. This is the GoPro Hero 9. Yeah, very small. Okay, that's it for that. Here we go now.